I was asked recently if the Hive and Honey candle vessel would sublimate, so I decided to test it. This was timely because my aura vessel from Makesy is sold out, and I need an alternative. The first thing I noticed about the vessel from Hive and Honey is that it looked exactly like the Makesy aura. I could not tell the difference. I engraved the vessel first for a glow-through effect, and am putting my sublimation on top. As always, we are using heat-resistant tape and tape carefully around the design, using pressure and making sure there are no wrinkles or air trapped. Our design was printed twice on sublimation paper with a sublimation printer. Printing twice is critical for a vibrant design on glass. Since we are testing, I am going to make this a two-sided candle, taping our second design on the other side of the candle. This design was also printed twice on sublimation paper from a sublimation printer. You will not be able to sublimate from a regular printer. The reason we are testing this vessel is it is not advertised as a sublimation blank. Therefore, unless it has a polyester coating, it will not sublimate. It's been my experience that all matte candles sublimate well, but of course I have not tested every candle vessel, so go ahead and test yours. Let me know in comments if it works. Next, we are going to grab some shrink wrap and wrap up our candle vessel and tape up the seam. We use a standard heat gun to shrink it around the vessel. This is necessary before we put it into the sublimation oven. The shrink wrap applies the right amount of pressure for sublimation to occur. Preheat your sublimation oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and program it to bake for 6 minutes. Make sure you let your vessel cool for 30 minutes before you unwrap. Unwrapping is my favorite part, and this is revealing that yes, indeed, you can sublimate this candle vessel. The colors are vibrant, and it's smooth to the touch and won't rub off or fade. Hi, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to turn plain vessels into candle art using sublimation and engraving. Please subscribe for more videos and check out our playlists on engraving, sublimation, or new to candle making advice. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way, where we glow differently.